How easy was that? Or how hard was that?
Was a lot hard from the start, but just keep persistent and go around just assuring the horse calm, assuring it as we go around.
Yeah.
Eventually, like you say.
What have you learned about how to be a better leader through the last 2 days of horses?
Especially using horses, major different compared to humans, and to get experience with horses like this, it's unbelievable.
What have you learned about yourself as a leader?
Oh, come on. That didn't work. Learn. Oh,
Someone's got an itchy head.
yeah.
That's it. Good. What have you learned?
Persistence and commitment to the what's the word?
Standards?
Standards.
Yeah.
And get on top of it and